friends, Andrew here, and in this video I am going to show you how to download your data from your Amazon account. So once you sign into your Amazon account, on the upper right hand side click on account and list, and here you want to scroll down, guys. There's an option that says request your data. You can click on that, and once you click on that, you have a drop down category to select the type of data you want to request. So let's say you want to click on there and you want to download, for example, your addresses or your payment options or your subscription or whatever it might be that you want. There's a whole lot of different data you can request, or you can even request all your data. So I'm going to request all my data and just simply click on request. Now this is going to contain a file. As they said, thank you, you're almost done. They've basically sent you a confirmation link, and this is to protect your data. So you want to open up your email. So you want to go to your email, guys, and once you open up your email, you should find a link from Amazon. So if you're not seeing it here, check on the different categories. For me, I can see it's under the update section, so I click on that and there is a confirmation from Amazon. I click on confirm, and that's basically confirming that yes, I want to download my data. And as you can see, it says we have received and are processing your requested to access your personal data, right? And so we just need to be patient and wait for us to receive that information. And if you refresh the page here, guys, you will see it shows that your data request is in progress. You just need to be patient. Once it is ready, you will be able to find your data. You will also receive an email as well, and you'll be able to get that data once it is ready. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and download your data. You'll be able to receive a file that you can download and view the data that is from your Amazon account. And as you can see, you can choose between different type of data, or you can just request all your data if you so desire. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.